Hey, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you or unveil the customer journey map that I created that focuses specifically on looking at the customer experience. Now, this may not sound sexy, but it is. It will give you instant ROI, return on investment. Now, why should you even care about the customer journey? Well, if you're in small business, the customer's kind of where it's at. If you aren't really looking at it and your business is a hobby, then maybe go to a different channel. But if you have a small business, particularly in retail, hospitality, and you have a team of people that you would really like to equip and empower to be amazing and give transformative experiences to people that helps to retain your customers, then this is the place for you. So like and subscribe, particularly if you're a woman. Now, as a small business owner, you know that curating your customer experience is vitally important because people are having an experience with your business along the customer journey, whether or not you curate it. We've got to take a look at it. Customer experience is the most powerful way to differentiate your business. There's 6 steps. I've broken this map down into 6 easy steps so that you can curate that customer journey. All right, step 1 is out there. This is often called the consideration phase. We are looking at our customer journey through the lens of our customer. We're looking at this specifically from the customer's point of view. We've got to take time to get out of our heads, out of our business, and step into the shoes of our customers so that we can make sure that we are accomplishing our business goals. I worked with a business owner here locally who had a gentleman that came from literally 3 hours away to do business with his store. It didn't make sense to this business owner. And so he asked this man, "Why did you come here?" And this gentleman's response was kind of transformative. It's a great lesson. The customer said, "I came to you specifically because of the way you responded to a negative review online." So put that in your pipe and smoke it, man. Okay, step 2, what does your signage look like? A big mistake that owners make is especially if you're on a street, a main street, if you don't have signage that is facing perpendicular to the street, then get it right away. Like if I'm driving down Main Street, I can see out of my peripheral vision your signage. But if your signage is on your windows or on your walls and I'm driving, I'm not going to be looking this way and that. I'm going to be looking for those pedestrians that are trying to dart across the road. Okay, step 3 is your entrance or your lot. Now, you may have a parking lot or you may not, but these questions guide you and give you a jumping off point to make sure you're curating the experience. This matters. People are having an experience with your business, whether or not you're curating it. So is our front door sticky? Are there cobwebs in the corner? If you have a light on somewhere all the time, are all the bugs and things on that? I mean, that matters because it gives you a creepy feeling as a customer when you're going in. And if you're in, say, hospitality or food service, it reflects what's going on inside. Step 4 is with the people. This is my favorite because your people, your staff, make the biggest difference in the world. They're amazing. 70% of buying experiences are based on how a customer feels they're being treated. Ugh, that's giant. You got to make sure that people know and are equipped and empowered to give great service. If that's something that you would like, but you are not necessarily skilled to do, check out the Power of People course. That's exactly what I equip your staff to do in 6 weeks. And step 5 is with the products. You probably got this one down, but there are great questions in this guide that will help you understand how important it is to make sure that your product experience is still top-notch and consistent. Step 6 is what I call the dating game. When I leave your business, how is it that you are still engaging me? Because everybody and their dog on the street is trying to get my business. Are we thanking them? How are we engaging with them when they're not in the building or in your retail establishment? Now, if this video wet your whistle and you would like to learn a little bit more, the guide is in the download below, or the download is in the notes below. And I suggest that you check out this video. avoid these two pitfalls when mapping your customer journey. I'll just show you the two places to really look out for. Cheers.